Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account on Bing. So changes save across devices. Once done, use a desktop browser because this is the only reliable way to change the Bing wallpaper. Mobile apps often restrict edits. Make sure personalization is enabled in settings so the custom background option appears. Open settings from the gear icon. Do not wander into themes yet. This first step guarantees the options you need will be available and tied to your account for consistency. Next, you click Background, then Change Image to bring up the selection dialog. You can upload an image from your computer or pick one of Bing's featured images. Upload is the only way to set your own. When uploading, make sure the file is JPEG or PNG and reasonably sized so the browser handles it well. After selecting, preview how it looks in the header area. If everything appears right, save the change so Bing applies the new wallpaper to your account immediately. Finally, save your change and refresh the page to confirm the new wallpaper appears. If you use Sync, sign out and sign back in on other machines so the wallpaper propagates. This forces Microsoft to push the update. If the image doesn't show, clear your browser cache or try a different browser to rule out local caching problems. As a last troubleshooting tip, re-upload a smaller version of the image. Large files sometimes fail silently because of upload timeouts or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.